In today's video, I'm going to show you the smartest way to upgrade an old set of blinds. Let's get started. Hey everybody, welcome to Tech with Brett, where I help tech work for you, and today I want to introduce you to my brand new set of smart blinds provided by MySmartBlinds. So today we're going to show you how to set this up and the different types of smart blinds that are available. So first, we've been in this home for about 3 years, and when we bought the home, they had this awesome set of blinds, as you saw in the beginning, that don't work. I can't tilt them, I can't even raise them up. So the smart blinds will allow me to replace my whole set, so I then have a new smart blind that allows me to automate the tilting with my phone or with a smart switch that you can get to do that anywhere from within the home. And later this year, there will be coming out with something that you can use to use your Google Home or your Amazon Echo to control the smart blinds. Starting off, let me talk about how there are different ways that you can add MySmartBlinds to your home. One is to replace your existing blind with a brand new blind with SmartLock technology, and that is what we will be checking out today. The other is to use an automation kit to add to your existing 2 to 2.5 inch corded blind. So I will show you how to set that up in another video, but let's get this SmartLock technology blind set up. All we need to do is remove our existing blind, and then we'll be ready to install this. And let's check out how it works. Before you order, you should know that the MySmartBlinds with SmartLock installation will only work on inside mounted blinds on a window up to 72 inches by 72 inches. If you would like to add MySmartBlinds to an outside mounted blind, make sure you check out the automation kit, which I'll review in another video. When measuring for the blind, measure in 3 spots and round to the nearest 1/8 of an inch. Select the narrowest measurement and use that as the width. For the height, do the same but select the tallest. I will leave the link in the description so that you can order your exact size of blinds. Once you receive your order, then remove your existing blind carefully. You will also need to remove the mounting brackets on the side. Your order will arrive like this. Inside the box here you have the instructions, and you'll just need to carefully remove the packaging off of the blind. This set I ordered already has the automation kit as well as a solar panel included in the box. It also comes with bracket to mount the solar panel and some other necessary items. So before we put this up, I would just want to show you, here you have the smart lock lever there. Here you have the automation kit right there that allows it to turn it or tilt it up and down. And then here you have the battery pack. You will need to make sure you switch that on before you put them all the way up. And then in here, this little cable, this is where you actually attach the solar panel to. To mount this to the wall, you do have these end brackets. First, I'm going to place them on and then put the blind into place and mark where they will go. If you have a large blind like this, I do suggest you get some help. There we're going to lock it into place. So here we are going to check the shim to make sure there is enough space. If not, we will need to remove the headrail and replace with a different shim to make it longer or shorter. Once it's in place, mark where you want to mount the brackets. And then remove the sticker from the adhesive and place where you have previously marked. This is where the installation is super easy because there are no screws necessary to mount these brackets onto the wall. Now we are going to attach the solar panel, and then we're going to use these brackets to place it onto the back of the blind. It also comes with some 3M adhesive to mount if it is not fitting properly with the brackets. Then tuck in any excess wire. One problem I found is that my solar panel was actually hitting the window and I wasn't able to place the blind. But here you can actually lower the solar panel with these little clips. So then I placed it back on and it fit no problem. Now that I have the brackets in place, I do need to make sure that it is powered on. I then need to pull the pull string out of the blind as well. Once I put the blind up, I set it into place with the brackets, and then I press the lever down and it is locked into place and it is installed. I then need to take the tilt wand and attach it, and then I need to place the valance on the top, and it just magnetizes very easily. These now will lower and raise just like any other blinds. Before you set these up on the MySmartBlinds app, lower them all the way, and then pull the tilt wand to enable pairing mode. To pair this up, we're just going to go into the MySmartBlinds app, go into the room that I want them paired into, select the plus to add a new blind,
and there it found my blind. And then I just need to name the blind.
And here it is going to run through the calibration steps so that it sets up properly and so that it knows which direction it is tilting.
As you can see in the background there that the blind is automatically tilting, going back and forward, calibrating it so that it aligns properly. I really like that these actually hit them really tight so that they close all the way when you want them closed. Here I'm going to select that they are closed in this direction so that it knows the way that they are set up. And then here I can slightly adjust if I need to make sure that they are perfectly aligned. Now that we have the blinds installed, I can just easily pull this lever and that will open or close the blinds. And here this is changing my bay window as well as my kitchen sink blind as well, as I already have an automation kit set up there. Here you can go into the application and you can set what time you want them to open and close. So here in the morning, I want them open every day at 7:30, and you can choose the days that you would like those. And then down here, I can actually set up a sun tracking. So it will automatically open and close when the sun rises or the sun sets. You would just need to set your location. And then here I have another time where they're automatically going to close at a specific time. And then here you can choose the position that you want them to be in. Another option you do have is you can turn on energy savings. So when the temperature gets to a certain point, it will actually automatically adjust the blind so that not as much light comes in. So here in the kitchen, this is a south-facing window. It gets really warm in here, and so I can have it automatically shut the blinds when it gets too warm, which is very convenient to have.
And then here on this screen, you will notice this little sun. That means that the solar panel is working. You will see a little battery icon next to it when it is charging. And then here we have the option to open all the blinds or close all the blinds in the entire house all at once, or I could select the specific room that I've set up these blinds in. Another option to control the blinds other than from the app is using the Smart Switch adapter. So here I have this little switch, and then we can just go into the MySmartBlinds app and go into the settings and quickly pair this up. When you have this paired, there are 5 different groups that you can set up. So you could have a certain color be a certain room, and then you can easily select left or right on the switch and then control that room. So maybe I want the bay window set as a room, and then the kitchen sink, I could have those on different rooms. Or in this video, I'm just going to set them both up on one room, the white room, so that I can quickly open and shut all at once. You can also control the blind by manually pulling the tilt wand. So if you pull once, it does about a quarter turn. If you pull it twice, it will do a half turn. So it will go from closed to open, or it will go from open all the way to close with 2 simple pulls. And then right here, right next to the tilt wand, I do have the option to charge the blind with a micro USB charging port. You can get a charging cord that's about 10 feet long if you do need one with the kit. And then here you can see that with the app, I can quickly open and close the blinds in the entire room. So this is really nice. I can come out here in the morning, open the blinds up really quick, or at night close them. Or you also have the automation where they will automatically do it for you. After using the MySmartBlinds setup over the last few weeks, I've been really impressed at what it can do. It's really nice that you can set a schedule, so in the morning you come out and automatically the blinds have been opened up, or in the evening they will automatically close. Our kitchen is kind of in this fishbowl, so we have a lot of windows right here and people could easily see in. Well, with being able to instantly control the blinds with the MySmartBlinds automation kit, it makes it so simple to close them all at once or open them. We still need to add a few, but I'm really impressed with the results. I've really liked being able to have the smart switch across the room so we can instantly open and close them anytime without having to go all the way to the blind, as well as doing it from the app. And I'm excited that later this year, the hub will come out so that you can control the blinds with your voice via the Google Home or your Amazon Echo. If you have any further questions about the SmartLock MySmartBlinds kit, please let me know in the comments below. And if you would like to learn more about all kinds of smart home technology, I am going out and finding all kinds of solutions for you. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you'll be notified as soon as I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.